The most compliments I get from many of our customers is that it's a consistent, great product every time they come, whether it's 3 years ago, 2 years ago, or every other day. We have a lot of customers that really know that they're confident that they're going to get a great meal.
Here at Parkshore, I've been like 10 years, I think. The best part is like they give me the chance, the opportunity to cook. I'm from Mexico. In Mexico, I really wasn't interested in cooking or anything about the kitchen. Mexicans is more like the mom and that's the person to cook. But here I get more interesting and I love it. I love to create dishes, to cook, whatever I want.
I think we are on the forefront of it. Being chefs, we have to always be focused on hunger as an issue, and any chance we get to give back and make sure that we're helping in any way we can, whether it's being mentors or endorsing it or raising the money ourselves. We always feel great being out there.
As soon as you see ingredient, I start thinking what I can do with those ingredients.
You know, it depends on the ingredients, depends on the judges. It's always just a fun competition for a great cause, so we just love being out there.
What we do here is like daily, we do 3 different specials we can create.
We'll make sure that he's doing it on his own. We'll set a time limit for him, saying, come on, you know, this is going to be a lot easier today than, you know, you're going to have 60 seconds to come up with a dish.
This means a lot. This means a lot. This means like you can help other people like doesn't have food and which other way to help them like this, you know. I love to help people. I was wondering what I can do. I still thinking what I can help for these people, and this is a nice way to do it.
I think they're going to see that, you know, St. Petersburg has something to offer coming over to Tampa, and we are always happy to cross the bridge to compete with anyone over there.